So this week we're at WestEdge in Santa Monica, where I'm gonna show you guys a behind the scene tour of a trade show. Now at this show, what we did is we helped put the cabinets in through our company here at the kitchen store. We partnered up with appliances like Monogram, partnered up with Cambria, a stone fabricator. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how this showroom came out. And cabinets were provided by Fabwood, which is also available at our store. So follow me and we're gonna go and see a behind the scenes of a trade show on what it takes to basically get a trade show going with a full active kitchen here at WestEdge in Santa Monica. All right, so here, let me go with you guys what we have here. So these are the new Monogram refrigerators with brass panels. Now, if you could tell real quick, these are 96 inches tall panels, basically by Monogram refrigerator. Your refrigerator is an 84-inch refrigerator, but with panels that measure 96 inches that go all the way up. So let's keep going down and take a look at it. Here we have basically cabinets that are from Fabwood. They basically gave us the cabinets here to showcase all the stuff. We also have a beverage refrigerator by Monogram as well with the trim kit. You see this nice slim shaker with the actual added on there. As we keep going down, you got the double drawer by Fabwood where you have two drawers basically ready to go. You can do the triple drawer or the double drawer. Next, we have a wine chiller. Basically Monogram, this is a great wine chiller because it basically kind of chills your wine at the temperature that you want, doesn't let it get too cold, doesn't let it get too warm. So it's a great choice to have if you wanted to. So as we continue down, you see another amazing looking Monogram refrigerator here with 96-inch brass panels in the front. The nice thing about these is that they include you the handles. You get the brass handle with the nice leather here. Let's take a look and see how it looks when you open it up. Pretty cool, I would say so myself. Nice looking refrigerators, everything looks good. So as we go to the island, now the island is something very nice that we worked on very hard to get this achieved. You have the two refrigerators here, the drawer refrigerators that you can use that come out very nice. We have an induction cooktop here that is Bluetooth activated. So if you like to cook and you want a sous vide, you can Bluetooth this, that way your temperature never goes above. And you have what's very cool there, a downdraft, all built in this beautiful island. And as we keep going here, we have a dishwasher. These are panel ready dishwashers that came out very nice, nice light on the inside. So it's good upgrade by Monogram. Now, one thing that we did do this with this island was this nice brass inlay that we added here, and we partnered with the stone company where they actually inlaid it into the stone. Now this beautiful stone is brought to you by Cambria. Amazing product that Cambria has produced. Cambria is a made in America product. Everything here that I've showed you is American made. Monogram, built in Kentucky if I'm not mistaken, and Fabwood built in New Jersey. Cambria built here in the United States as well. So that's what we have. And then let's not forget this beautiful tambouri looking island with a nice radius that was basically built by yours truly. So this tambouri here, very beautiful, that me and my dad basically put together. We actually built this on a nice time crunch just to get it ready for the show. So this was very tedious but very fun to build with your own father. So I enjoyed it. And the last thing I gotta say, this whole kitchen was designed by a designer by the name of Julie Ireland. Look her up. She's basically fabulous. She does a lot of amazing designs, and we partnered up with her to create her vision on all this here. So here we have a Cambria stone that has been backlit. This is a very beautiful, it's an iridescent stone where you can see it has the light in the back. They basically kind of created something very nice here with to hold wines. I could actually step on this without breaking it. So it came out very amazing the way it looks. Cambria does an amazing job. As you can see, the Stone Shop Tile Company basically are the ones that fabricated this. Great people. They did a great job with the lighting and everything. Cambria's amazing stone. Now the hardware that we installed on the kitchen was provided by Accuray. They provide beautiful hardware, very nice brass looking hardware. So if you guys are interested into nice quality hardware man-made here in the United States, that's a great company to choose from. So this is something new that Cambria has basically started. They started doing stone in tiles. So this is quartz. They basically created it into a tile form and created a nice great looking pattern. You don't have to use grout, nice seamless lines there where it looks amazing. So If you're interested in something like that, Cambria does do a tile version of their quartz. So before you plan any upgrades, be sure to download my ultimate budget guide on how to renovate your kitchen, where it shows you how to go from a $5,000 kitchen to a $50,000 kitchen. So you could download it here on my link.